Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to use the multi-line cursor in VS Code. In order to do that, I have created here an array of names. I want to put double quotes between the names and the comma after this. In order to do that, I'm coming to the first name and I'm going to show you the fastest way how to do that. In order to do the multi-line cursor, I have to do the following. I'm pressing from my keyboard Ctrl, Alt keys, and then I'm pushing the down arrow. As you can see, I can select the multi-line cursor. I'm leaving the keys. I'm typing the double quote. As you can see, I have double quotes and then the comma. And after I'm coming to the first line and I'm repeating the process. Ctrl, Alt keys, and down arrow until the last name. I'm putting the double quotes. As you can see, I have done the array completely and correctly. I have closed everything. I'm deselecting the multi-line cursor. I'm done. So I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Until the next one, be safe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.